What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel.
Alrighty, so as you can tell by the title of the video, today I'm going to be fixing the front bumper and hopefully it comes out good. I have high hopes, I guess. But no, I've been getting really good with the painting and I'm pretty sure it will come out pretty good. So I'm going to actually head over to my parents because they, have like a nice big yard, and I'm just going to go out there, set the bumper up, sand it down some more, get it nice and perfect, and then just get after it and get to painting. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get to it. Super nice out today. Again, I'm hoping everything goes as planned. I kind of got the windows cracked, so I hope you guys can hear me. I got the doggo loaded up, he's chilling. And yeah, hopefully all goes well. Again, like I was saying, while painting and stuff, I know I'm sick of the window too. Trust me, it's about to get fixed here soon. That's gonna be the next video that comes out. But yeah, stay tuned, and I'm gonna head to my parents, like I was saying, and get this bumper painted and get it freshened up. As you can tell, car's in pieces. I'm out here chilling at my parents. And I got everything set up. I started getting to work. I wanted to hurry up because I'm working against the clock here. But I've got it all wet sanded down. I think I should be pretty good. I'm gonna get it here, in a couple more spots. Again, it's not gonna be 100% perfect, but I'm hoping it comes out good. Front lip is gonna cover like most of this, so I'm not worried about this being like 100% perfect. But yeah, I just kind of want to fix all these. There's just like so many chips everywhere. But yeah, I got it sanded down pretty smooth. So I'm gonna hit it with the Scotch-Brite everywhere again. Haven't done that, so I'm gonna hit it with the Scotch-Brite, and then I'm gonna set the time lapse up and just get to it and finish this up, you guys. I need that sun to come out, move out from behind that tree, but got her all sanded down, prepped up, ready to go. I started sanding it in the last video, of course, but yeah, this is pretty much ready to go. I'm gonna let it dry up here a little bit more. I wiped it down and everything, but these are all smoothed out. It's all pretty smooth, actually, honestly. So yeah, I'm gonna start laying some paint and obviously cover this whole area first, and then just lay a light coat over the whole thing and then clear it up, and it should be good to go. Honestly, it's crazy because I literally watched a YouTube video on how to do this, and now I'm making a YouTube video on doing it. It's kind of weird how the world works. YouTube is really honestly such a cool platform, and I'm stoked to put some more content out there. Got our first couple coats on there, and honestly, it's not looking too bad. There's a couple spots, and obviously this lower section is not going to be perfect. You're probably going to be able to see high and low spots and stuff like that, but I'm not too worried about it as long as it's fully covered in paint. And it's a 10-footer, whatever, I'm cool with that. But eventually, I'll do a full respray and have somebody professionally do it. But for now, I just wanted to temporarily fix it so it's not super ugly. But as you can tell, I got a crack right there, and that's what I was saying. There's a bunch of scuffs and stuff like that, but the lip should cover most of that. I just wanted to get out all the missing big ass paint chips that were on it. So yeah, overall it's going pretty well. And yeah, I'm gonna finish up these last few coats and then throw on some clear And yeah, hopefully it stays somewhat nice out. So yeah, I gotta hurry up, honestly. So I'm gonna set the time lapse up and just get to it. Getting that clear laid out just in time. I don't know like how well you guys can see that, but it's not too bad. Again, there's like some little imperfections here and there. It's not gonna be perfect. It's definitely gonna be like a 10-footer, like I was saying, but for the winter, this is gonna do. It's gonna do just fine. I'm gonna probably leave this video into like tomorrow because I'm gonna have to leave this here and to dry at my parents and whatnot. So I'm gonna spray these last few coats of clear, and then yeah, we'll probably just tune in tomorrow, and I'll be putting that front lip on. I'm stoked. I cannot wait. It's actually looking pretty decent. So as you guys can tell, it's pretty nice out today. What's crazy, dude, the weather said nothing about it being nice the past 2 days. It was supposed to like be rainy all week, and the stars aligned and I was able to get this done. So yeah, I'm stoked, dude. I'm headed to my parents right now. I'm just kind of taking the back roads, and I honestly waited because it was just like mad dumping out. So I had to wait because the whole front end's off my car and the air filter's practically exposed. So I'm not trying to suck a bunch of water up into my air filter and into my engine. So yeah, but without further ado, install the front lip on the bumper and then put the front bumper on. And I don't know, hopefully it stays just like this outside, because yeah, I want to actually go get some clips of it, you know, on and whatnot. But yeah. Alrighty, so as you guys can tell, front bumper's all put back together. Again, like from like right here, you can't really see any imperfections, which is cool. I'm totally fine with that. This little guy, I stepped on that while I was painting it, dude. So I'm gonna have to redo this thing and get that thing sit right. But I'm gonna slap it in there for now. And honestly, it's whatever. I just wanted to clean this thing up for the winter and get it looking somewhat right. And here it is, you guys. I hope you can hear me okay. The wind's kind of going crazy right now. It's not 100% perfect, as you guys can probably tell. There's like a bunch of like little scuffs on the bumper and stuff like that. And the front lip, I mean, there's like a little gap here. I'm gonna try and fix that. I'm not sure exactly what I can do, but I should be able to close that up. Quite upset when I screwed like this one into the bumper. It literally like busted the whole lip right there. So I'm not sure if I want to fix that or not, but overall it looks pretty good. Again, there's like a little gap here, so I'm thinking about just putting another self-tapping screw right there, close that up. But man, overall I'm hyped, dude. This looks so sick. And that is gonna wrap up today's video. I really appreciate everybody for liking, commenting, and subscribing to the channel. If you made it to the end, thank you very much. Just know there's lots more to come. I'm hyped with the turnout, and I can't wait for, these next few things. And obviously, as you guys know, it's big turbo time. So make sure you guys stay tuned, turn on the notifications, and tune into some great Mark 6 Volkswagen content. And we'll see you all in the next one. Peace.